Hello everybody, this is Khashar. Welcome to calculator tutorial with C. Actually the idea came to my head after I made another tutorial with Python, and which also been a command line based calculator. So I just got the idea, like, why not, maybe we can do the same thing with C program, C language, and maybe for some of you it can be interesting. So I'm not sure, but let's do it. So I'm in my Linux machine, and I'm gonna create a file, and I'm gonna call it calc.c, and I use gedit for editing C files. So calc.c, and I have gedit here. Alright, so first of all, include our headers, stdio.h, and we define our main function and only function for this program. Okay, and here of course we return 0. So I'm going to save it, and gcc calc, everything is fine. So let's see what we need. We need 3 integer or maybe float. Maybe we can have also a floating point. Then we need one for first number, another for second number, and another for result, and also we need a character data type for operator. So let's start with character. We have char here and OPR. We call it OPR or operator, whatever you like. And also here we have float and first, second, and the result, maybe, yes, result. Alright, so we can just try and test. Let's print something on the screen, like something like enter your operator. Alright, and here we can get the operator from the user. So printf, as you of course know, it's like for printing and displaying something, and scanf is for getting the input from the user. And because here the OPR is a character, or character, not character, it's character, we need to have percentage and C, and here and OPR, the variable name. Alright, so I'm just gonna save it, and let's see if we don't have any problem. This is very important when you are coding with C. That's very often you need to check your code. And it looks good. So operator minus, and okay, we got it. Now let's take care of 2 numbers. Again, we can say printf. We just call it first number. I am going to use very step-by-step, I can't call it architecture, but very step-by-step method to, like, very slowly develop the program line by line. No need for compress it. Alright, so first get the first number here, and scan f. Now we are dealing with float, correct? Then percentage sign f, and also and first the variable. Alright, now we can copy these 2 lines, Control C. Alright, and here we can write second, and we change this variable to second. Alright, we can try again one more time if everything goes correctly and as we want. Enter operator plus first number 20, second number 10, and okay, voila. Now then we we can assign these two values to our variables. Okay, then let's start our logic. We can go with of course we can go with switch, but I want to go with very simple if statements. So if OPR equal let's say minus, then result equal first minus second. Okay, now else if OPR equal plus, then result equal first plus second. Basic, really basic. And again, else if OPR equal division, then let's say result again equal first divided by second. And of course you don't have to use brackets because there is just one result after your if statement, but never mind, I used to do it, so not a big deal. Else if OPR equal multiply, then result equal first multiply second. Right, good. Maybe we can move these brackets down. It looks better. I like it more. And also this one. So after all of these if statements, we can just print f. Let's say result, right, equal how many floating point, 2 or 3? 3. Let's say 3. No, let's say 2. 2f, and in new line, and result. Okay. Oh, sorry. I hope we don't have any problem here. Good. So enter operator, multiply first number 3, second number 3, and we have 9. What a floating point. What about make it 1? Actually, because it was 0, we can try one more time. Let's say 45. Oh, that's operator. The first number is 4. The second number 3.5. 14. Result 14. Shouldn't be 14, or it is 14. I'm not sure. Alright, so here let's try one more time. Let's say 98 out again. Division 98, 3, 32.666. Alright, okay. Now we can just leave it the way it is, or I can just put it to 1. Save it and see if change anything really. Again, division 98 and 3 same. Alright, so now what I like to do is how we can clean up our screen. This is kind of cool if we can clean up our screen before actually print something on it. So in C we can use another header, include stdlib standard library edge, and it give us the access to system commands. So here, before we start, after we are declared our data types, let's say very simple system clear. Alright, and when we run the program, compile it and run it, it will clean up our screen. So enter our operator, minus first number 45, second number 32, and we have 13 point blah 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 blah. Okay. Okay, now this is kind of it's not looks quite okay, because every time we need to restart the program. Why not we use while loop? So I'm going to use another integer here, int I equal 1, just to make it a little bit look like the Python. Okay, and here I am going to write while I equal 1 and put all this stuff into the while loop. Alright, but we will have one problem that I will show you what is it and how to fix it. Okay, so I'm going to do I have some problem there? I thought I have auto completion. Never mind. Here, okay. And out, let's say minus first number 10, second number 2 is 8, and there are two problems. First, it's too fast and we don't have a delay. So for example, in Python you could just import time and make a delay, but here kind of a little bit complicated, but I can show you a very tricky and nice way to make a delay in C. So for that, let's come up here and declare two more variables, int C and D. Okay, and I'm going to down here after and result, we are going to make two nested for loop that returns nothing. Alright, so that can save us some time, or at least buy us some time. So for C equal 1 and C is smaller or equal than, let's say, 40,000 then C++. Okay, means as long as C equal 1, C equal 1, then until C is smaller or bigger or the same as 40,000, add one number to C. C++ is C equals C plus 1. And also here another for loop should be for D. Actually it's not nested, it's just a two for loop. For D equal 1 same as another one. D, again smaller, equal 40,000, then D++. Alright, and as a result, then just return nothing. So this can really just make the system a little bit occupied to just do some useless looping. So here we are going to compile it, and a.out minus first number 20, second number let's say 10, result is 10, and it waits, and now it asks for first because it's not going to jump and ask for the first character. Okay, operator, we need to ask one more time here. So I'm going to actually, let me see, operator, interior operator first. Now, yeah, so I'm going to create this, copy this too, or just copy this one. And come down here, and after this for loop, paste it here, save it, and see how it's going now. Go out, compile one. Alright, the operator is multiply, first number is 3, second number is 20, we have 60, result, and interoperator now minus, first number is 30, second number is 228. Okay, so but what else we can do? Let's say, what if we want to break the program? All right, so because of that, instead of Control C to break the program, let's come up here in interior operator. Let's make something like interior operator, make it longer, plus, minus, no, let's say operator or Q or capital Q for quit. Alright, and we can come down here, and top of this if statement we can write another if statement, and if OPR equal Q, alright, Q as a character, then break, you push it, indentation doesn't really matter in C, but it's for the sake of readability, and break it. So if the user press Q, it will break the code, or break the while loop actually. So now let's see, Q, oh, it didn't break the loop, operator Q, surprise, surprise, first number 0, second number 2, now it's break. What a surprise, okay, what we can do, let's take this line here, cut it, and I'm going to put it after, directly after scanf for getting the operator from the user, because it's automatically jumping for another scanf, and afterwards going to check the conditions, right? So we can check the condition here. My mistake, I should put it on. So what about now? Compile it, run it, let's say Q, and it's gone, it's going out. Okay. All right, but what else we can do? Maybe we can make some beep after any result, having a result. So here I'm going come down here before we get another operator from the user. Let's say print f a. Alright, that's it, and save it. And depends on the beep, system beep in your system. I don't know, it can be different. So let's compile it and run it now. Enter operator, let's say plus first number 345, second number blah blah blah. Result, maybe you don't hear, but you should have the beep. Anyway, or yeah, no, my mistake. Let's go out of it. Control C. My mistake. It shouldn't be this way. Now I see. Now I'm a little bit foggy, so you don't mind. Compile it and run it now. Operator plus 30 second 23, result 53, but now you heard it. Now enter operator for Q or Q for quit, and we hit the Q for quit. So that would be it. Very basic command line calculator with C. You can maybe develop it a little bit more. Maybe you can use like another math operators to expand the program. So, but for this tutorial, I think it's enough. So, if you have any question, suggestion, please write it in this, write it in comment, and that's it. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.